Hello, and welcome to my bed. I'm doing a thrift haul today. Don't mind me, I'm taking my socks off. It's really hot in my room. Alright, so I went thrifting yesterday and had what I think is my current most successful pull from thrift stores. Because I usually just buy clothes, and it's usually just outerwear. Sometimes I'll get some shirts. But not only did I get outerwear, pants, shirts, I also got CDs and bags, which I need because some of my bags are falling apart. I'm going to start with the CDs because I'm super excited about them. So I was looking through the CDs oh, I'm not going to find anything. I found freaking Kerplunk, and also I found Dookie. They're both right side up. I found Kerplunk and Dookie. Somebody must have donated some Green Day stuff because I found both of those. Directly after that, I freaking found Avril Lavigne. And it's the album with Skater Boy on it, which I love. And then, I also got this because I've never heard of it, but it looked kind of interesting. It's called Disciples of Logic. And they were a MySpace band, apparently. I don't know anything. Oh, there's something else in here. I don't think either of these are this band. Okay, well, I got something called Dead to Fall and something called Hate Breed Under the Knife, which I don't think is either of the actual band. I don't think. I have literally no idea. Okay, so I'll plug those in at some point and figure out what they are. But I got what I thought was Decapitation. Decepticon. God only knows. Disciple of Logic? It's not Disciples of Logic. Now this next purchase, I think, might be my finest find. Kids Bop 3. Fucking Kids Bop 3. Alright, well, let me explain why I bought this. I don't buy these because I enjoy Kids Bop. In one of my Follow Me Around vlogs, put it here, I went to my voice lessons and, my bass lessons, and my teacher and I have a running joke about frickin' Kids Bop. And I got him a Kids Bop album for Christmas, and I saw this, and I was like, oh, it's an original Kids Bop 3. I gotta get it for him. This is going up after I see him, so Bradley, if you're watching this, you're welcome. I got you Kids Bop. But I saw it now to get it. That is everything I have CDs wise. So I'm gonna go with shirts first. So the first shirt I got is this t-shirt, and it is like a mashup of all the major cities of the United States on a t-shirt. And I got it, I didn't try it on. I think it'll probably fit. I got it specifically because I think it would be like a cool layering piece because we're starting to get into the fall and I'm hoping it's gonna get colder. So I got this because it'll probably be a fun layering piece. If it ends up not being that great, there's a thing that I got the DIY that I can just cut this up and use it as like a decal for the DIY. So we got that as well. So I got that. The next shirt is a men's, like a 2XL I think. It's giant and it's just this pumpkin face with long sleeves. And I love it because Halloween is my favorite anything. I just love Halloween. I love Halloween. Halloween tattoo. Oh, I've also got one on my knee. Halloween tattoo. So I love Halloween. So I got this. I work at a Halloween store for the season, so I figured I could wear that to work because they really don't care what you wear there, which is the best. I might bring you to work one day when it's supposedly gonna be very calm. I'll do outerwear next because that's the majority of what I got still. So I got this cardigan. It's just a gray cardigan. It's It's really comfy, and I just really like it. It reminds me of a cardigan that Dallin Weeks from the band I Don't Know How But They Found Me would wear, and I'm going to their concert. They're coming to my state, so I'm going to a concert of theirs in September. So I thought I'd get this and I'd wear it. I'm probably gonna make like a giant back patch for I Don't Know How But They Found Me and like hand stitch it into this, because I think that would be fun. But it's very comfy, and I love cardigans, so I figured I'd have to get that. The next thing I got was this giant fleece hoodie. I'm gonna bring this up so you can see it properly, but this is the decal in it, and I've been looking for something like Harley Davidson hoodie or jacket related, you know, like for a while, and I haven't found any, but this, I saw it and it like reminded me of that, and so I decided I would get that. Let me know in the comments. I have a list on my phone of things that are like my top tier thrift list. Like, if I could find anything and I could like choose to find anything in the thrift store, I would love to find like these items. I'll put it up here. Like, do you guys have a thrift list like that? And what's on your thrift list? Mine is like what would probably be my biggest find is like a pair of Junko jeans, just any pair that would fit me of Junko jeans, just actual legit Junko jeans. And then like Trip NYC would be good. Can't remember what's on that right now, but other than that, it's a bag. We'll do that later. The next thing that I got is a padded moto jacket. I love it. It's super comfy. It fits me really nice, and you guys will see. And it's full length sleeve, not quarter, which is nice. I find a lot of them are like 3/4 length sleeves for women. I hate those. So like, this one isn't. I bought this specifically because I want to make a full patch jacket, like just patch jacket, and I was going to do like a zip front hoodie, but I couldn't find. I found like a really thin one, but I didn't like it. I'm gonna keep looking for that because I do want to do that, but for now, I'm gonna do it on this because I got a bunch of patches from Agri Young and Poor, and I'm making a bunch of my own. And I've got to buy some spikes still, but I'm gonna do that. This is the other thing that I bought to DIY. It is like a velour hoodie. Velour hoodie. It's basically like a Juicy Couture, but it's not Juicy Couture. It's just some random brand. It's pretty comfortable. It fits pretty well. I'm gonna probably make out of it. I'm going to make this very specific type of hoodie that I forget the name of, and I'm going to put it here, the name and the picture of it, because this brand doesn't make this hoodie anymore, and Depop is reselling it for like $100 at least, and I could make it in my sleep, so I'm gonna do that. So that's what I got for that, and that should bring us to pants. So I bought one pair of pants, and they're more like capris, and one pair of shorts. Just because pants are so hard for me to find in general, but also the... Excuse you. Pants are really hard for me to find in general, but the store that I went to, the Goodwill that I went to, didn't have any rooms available to try stuff on. Like, they have no try-ons available at that store, which is, it's not my home Goodwill, so I was like, damn it. I brought my measuring tape. So these fit. Now I know that these fit. They fit okay. I'm looking for a pair of like straight leg pants or wide leg pants to try to do crust pants, or like just, they won't be, probably for me it won't be crust pants, but like patchwork pants. And these are a contender. I'm gonna go back to the thrift store sometime this week again, my actual thrift, and see if I can find a pair of black pants that I like better. But these, and if I do, these were $1 because there was a dollar day going on where it was like this particular tag color is $1. And I'm not gonna be too upset if I find a better pair and then like give these back to them and get that pair instead. And then I bought these, and you're gonna be like, those are fucking ugly. And I'm like, but they're ugly cute. They're boys swim shorts, I think. And I think they're great. They have much better design on the back. And they're by the brand Lost, I guess. Board shorts, and they're just, I kind of love them. They're very early 2000s, like very early 2000s starter pack for pop punk boys, I think. And I like menswear, so I love them. And they lace up really interestingly on the front. So I don't know if you can see that. So I got those as well. And that's the end of clothes. The last couple things I got were this bag, which is a shoulder strap bag, like that. And then I also got this over-the-shoulder bag made out of canvas, and I love it, and I've just already started using it. And it's perfect, like perfect size for me, and I love it. It's really comfy. So that's everything that I got. It was more of an expensive haul, but I think that they're starting to upstart. Like, I've seen a lot of thrift hauls where they're like starting to see the prices rise in thrift stores again, and I think that's starting to happen here. Although I haven't really been able to keep track. It might just be that I'm now starting to buy more expensive items. So that's what I got. I will update on DIYs as they progress, you know, as I do. I'm looking into making a second DIY clothing haul because I've already done my first one, and now I'm starting to have enough to maybe do a second one. So I just cleaned out my closet and I just organized everything, and I just realized that I do have a lot of DIY clothing that I didn't show in the first one, so that might be coming up at some point too. But hey, thanks for watching, and check out my other videos now. If you want to, you can. I will see you. Goodbye.